Actually, I used to use open code, but open code was giving open code was slow for me, and open code was hard to set up. Open code have a um, lot of bugs. I mean, suppose if I want to connect a MCP through Kaido or Burp, it's giving me a lot of errors. Okay, so I switched to Hermes, and my life was very easy because it's very easy to connect. Okay, anything. See MCP servers here, but failed it showing Kaido it's connected because my Kaido was open over here. If you see in the taskbar. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I use Hermes agent for Android. Okay, for Android security testing. Okay, this is a command I gave. If you want this command, just you need to subscribe you to the mailing list where I'm going to send you this all the things. Okay, here there is some text. Okay, okay, this is the agent. Okay, so I pasted it here and convert this into a skill, and it converted it. Okay, it converted it. I'm going to show you skills. Okay, it's converted into skill, and it converted into a skill. Okay, skills list. See, if you see here, Android APK security audit, Android reverse engineering. Android reverse engineering is something everybody have that. Okay, it is in the GitHub, but this Android APK security audit, I have just got it from somewhere. Okay, and I have that in my GitHub, but I can only share it with you if you subscribe to the mailing list, and I'm gonna send you this. What we're gonna do is, there is some, okay, target APK. Okay, we have decompiled the APK already. If you don't decompile it, if you give the command, it will decompile it, but I already decompiled it. So what I'm gonna give you is do APK security audit on decompiled source code in the directory. Okay, don't do decompile again. Okay, we're gonna give that, and we're gonna see what it's gonna do. Okay, suppose I'm gonna show you um, Android security. Android. Okay, this is the skill everybody have that. What I told it, I just gave Hermes agent this one command, like see in the down I'm giving, let it run the task what it was doing. I gave it and just turn it into Hermes agent skill. What it was done was it turned into a skill. So that's why Hermes skills list. See, if you see here, Android APK security audit. See, Android reverse engineering. Okay, this is the things we have. Uh, I'm gonna show agent skills, not this software dev. If you give Android, let's see Android APK security. See, this is the skill.md file we have. Android reverse engineering. Okay, it turned into a skill. Okay, you can see script. See, it turned into Hermes agent compatible skill. Okay, check dependencies, decompile, find API calls, install dependencies. What it's gonna do is mostly it's gonna find endpoints. Okay, it's gonna find endpoints. That's what it's gonna do. But for that, you need to have the decompiled code. Even though you don't have the decompiled code, even if you give the APK, if you install JADX tool, if there is no JADX tool, it will install automatically, and it's gonna use the skills to find the relevant API endpoints. Okay, that's what this is all about. If you see the skill, you can find it over here. See, decompile, analyze structure. Okay, it is looking for Android XML file. uh, okay, it is looking for main launcher activity. Okay, trace call flows, start from Android, run the main activity of the application. Let's run this too. Okay, let's see what it's gonna give. Extract and document APIs. Okay, find API calls, call flow analysis.md. Okay, there are a lot of commands here it should run. Let's see what it's called running here. Android APK security audit. Okay, still it was analyzing. Actually, I want you to use DeepSeek V4. If you don't have the subscription, just buy it. It's very cheap. You should allow once for. Actually, this AI agents made life easy. Even if you want to do this manually, how much time it's gonna take? So don't think AI is the villain here. AI is taking your jobs. No, AI is very helpful here. Okay, it's gonna make your work really really fast. Okay, and um, we can't predict how the future will be, but it's gonna be the agents are super powerful now. I don't know how it's gonna be after 2 to 3 years. I think it's gonna exploit. It's gonna create a POC, and it's gonna deliver it to you. I think with just one prompt. I think so. Even if you don't give the prompt, even if you tell with the voice, even if you think, it's gonna happen. Okay. Someone was doing project. We don't need to talk something, but even if you think, it's gonna be executed. Okay. Okay, it's running. Read. After this, we're gonna run Android reverse engineering skill. This is Android APK security audit. Okay, if you want this skill.md file, okay, which is not available on GitHub, I'm gonna share it with you. Just subscribe to the mailing list in the description. If you want any course, if you want to have a one-on-one consultation with me, you can check the description. Okay, read today.find. Okay, it's also reading today.findings.md. I just don't want it to do this. Hermes agent is really good. Okay, it have a lot of features. It's like same like Claude, but Claude is it takes a lot of money. Open code is providing for I don't know how many days. DeepSeek V for Flash. You can use that. I know my there is no lighting here on my face, but my face it doesn't matter. Okay, it's really just only the voice I'm giving. That's the only thing that matters. I'm gonna reduce. Okay, that's the only thing that matters. You can see a lot of stuff here. It's still running. Message is going to interrupt. Even I don't know the how to use Hermes agent in a full-fledged way. Okay, there are a lot of commands, there are a lot of features. The more I'm using, the more knowledge I'm getting. It's getting handy. Okay, the lot of techniques I'm getting to know. Okay, I think it's created now. Data flow, reasoning, overtone, preparing to do, plan for tasks. It's create generating .md file. I think so. Audit complete. Audit findings.md. User CS attested. It's not something. It's important. Okay, it's got. So dynamic analysis treatment for auth deep link handling. Okay, it's gave us critical high web view load arbitrary URLs from intent extras. So from intent leads to JavaScript and web view into SCOM. Okay. Notable but already covered in existing report. Deep link handling web view validation. Let's see what's there. Uh, okay. Audit findings. Let's open preview. Let's close this. Okay, what is this user instance here? Trusted. Okay, this is useful for monitoring traffic, I think so, but it's not something we should submit. Web view remote debugging enabled. Set web corner debugging enabled. Use the app is now. Description is called and I don't understand what is this. High web view load server. Okay, this is something we should look into. Okay, but I tried already this. This is not exploitable. Okay, there is not something, what is it called? External activity we can call and pass it on. Okay, fragment.mw. Okay, this function cannot be called actually. Data flow. Export title to the catch directory. I don't understand this completely. Heavily opposite code static analysis. Debug exported. Okay, let's what we can do is right now findings androidsec.md agent.md today. Let's remove all this. Let's see. Okay, what we can give run. Okay, let's ask it. Can we invoke URL w vulnerability using the external activity? Yes, give me adg command. Let's go. Okay, I think I lost internet here. There is some problem. Okay, I'm gonna do it in the next video, remaining thing, because I lost the internet. I don't want to cut it. Okay, I want to end it here. You seen something? Okay, it found it's something different. Okay, okay, it's something different. Okay, this was good actually. It found us, it gave us leads. Okay, that is the most important thing in bug bounty or in hacking. You should get leads so that from there on you'll go forward. Okay, for this video that's all. In the next video I'm gonna continue this.